sharing with other indigenous people, and in particular with the Mapuche in Chile and Argentina, we were having this same corridor. What are our aspirations? Is all of us, indigenous people, to learn new practices in the indigenous way, to also critique hegemony, to critique the ways we were taught in the Western world, and to be able to put there our voices, because our voices are valid. Our voices have a place. I would call the indigenous voices, they are my mainstream. Mainstream is not mainstream anymore for me. It's the way we do things. Our ways, the umbrella of Te Māori or the umbrella under Mapuche people, all indigenous people from Canada, from Australia, we all joining together and we do Rangahau together and we'll expose it to the world. As far as Te Wānanga Aotearoa, I don't want the premise that our CEO, Jim Mather, talks about, the best kept secret. I want to be the best known out there. I just want to encourage my colleagues. I hear sometimes, I don't know where to start with Rangahau. Start from somewhere, come and see me. Come and see Morihu, our Rangahau mentor, Dr. Selina. Come and see us, and all we can do is to say, this is what we did, come and join us.